The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me replay. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Etholakala.
Ngibona.
Apha mina ngiyazi ukuthi weekend
Uthi sisilwana nathi charger ngelokuzi ngeke.
yeah, me I refuse to weekend was hacked me. I didn't tolerate the guys. I'm not believing that bullshit.
No, that guy was hacked, bro.
No, it's weekend big weekend.
Mafuthi check siyakwazi weekend ukuthi unjanani. But like it was intimate conversations between him and abafazi, like umuntu lo one ungene ku DM yakhe wathatha ama screenshot and screen recordings of him saying outlandish shit. He was hacked, dog.
He could have just done it by himself. He's gonna
no
this
way.
guy's
Nah,
divorced.
nah,
This
man.
guy isn't he
I
divorced
know,
now?
man, I know,
It's
but
not like he's a
no,
woman to
mafuthi
protect.
kuyazikhanyela nje uthi lapha umuntu lo uhekiwe sibili.
Bro, people are faking shit out there. People fake orgasm. A lot of people fake a lot of things. People are faking a lot of things. Like even me,
Yeah,
bro.
I hear you, but trust me, if you had seen those recordings,
Yeah, good maybe you are yet to see
Nxa
what was
wabonanga,
exposed.
ungawabona nje uzathi ya lapha bamkwanisile.
Either way. It's like in the Trump, bro. Trump engineered his ice cream moment. He has to engineer his own ice cream moment. For me, I was like, Trump.
Hayi lapha nje.
Try to
But with more information coming, it seems he didn't fake it live.
Yeah, but I think he faked it. That
If
bullet,
he didn't
that
fake
bullet
it-
had been a millimeter to the right, he'd be dead.
Guys, so when I'm also good, mina ngithi wena ngela ama trust issues and wena ngabhadala umuntu utakhuthe ngabo ngompova.
Hey, I don't think that shit was fake, bro.
Mina ngaza ke Khares ngaza ke
Nothing like
ngimeze
Kuti
ngithumfa
is
into ekhanda
real.
lami uyichaya ngebetwen. I can't trust you with that. What more bullet? From such a distance.
Bro,
But lapha kuyamele switch amalokho ezeni.
And people died too, bro.
Yeah, people died.
So I don't think
people.
it started off funny, but I don't think
It's actually not funny.
But
Yeah.
but here's the thing for me. It's him. You know.
Not funny.
So Secret Service.
No, do you know what made it funny? What made it funny is the fact that, like, lapha chayo khona, literally like the top of his ear. Yeah, boy. So people were like, this didn't really happen. But like, if you, I, in the morning today, like I was going through Twitter, bro. Exactly. Lami ngubonile khona ke. Exactly.
Lile picture pure didlula.
No, like it shows a trajectory.
Nilibonile
But-
picture lakho.
Wala mafutha.
But here's the thing. But
I mean-
kulama cameras awenza kuno. But here's the thing for me. But here's what I don't get. Here's what I don't get. Guys. Go kuru. Let me
There's no
tell-
picture of the bullet
let me-
passing by, but the bullet is there.
But let me say this.
Who is
The Secret Service
bullets?
is supposed to be or is,
Yeah.
you know, the best at their job.
Yeah.
One would say, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And then now timeline nane kulunya, bro. Fine, there are rules. There are rules when they go to an event like that. And apparently Trump has been told, his campaign team has been told over numerous times not to have outdoor events, outdoor rallies. Trump, the team yakhe.
Okay, these are
Bachela
Republicans. These guys
right?
don't care.
But right? Don't do outdoors rallies, stuff like that. And then there are rules. There's a security zone where they operate, and then there's a zone operated by local police. right? In the zone, suppose zone ele sniper was zone ema local police. And when they did exactly what the Secret Service had to do, they got into action. And what did the guy do? Let's go. Because they had to sacrifice themselves. He wants to take his speech. Let me take my speech. Dude, you're about to die. Fuck this speech. Hey, my shoe. Dude, you are a billionaire. You can buy another shoe. Fucking go. And then guess what he does? He pops his head on top of my Secret Service and his hand. And he says, bro, like, dude.
No. Wasukuma labana sebekhulumile abaphezulu sebe-neutralize that.
But also,
Like,
I think there's
yes,
something here.
we can't
that
100% dismiss and say it was fake because there are a lot of things.
exactly.
A lot of
here's
things.
the-
He needed people's
indicators
sympathy.
ukuthi
He needed that narrative to get the president.
Jake, thina sesake sabona into eziwest la sesake sabona amabhomba la.
Madoda,
Amabhomba.
Sesake sabona ezinye izinto
Amabhomba.
asidlule ninja.
sibili wamdubula sibili kumbe walimala from uwalo
No, it
I know,
grazed
they
his
say
ear.
it's a bullet.
Like
from-
grazer. It
yeah.
grazed his ear.
No, that's what I'm saying. They say, tell us again, Kotina vele ndazanga doesn't.
They
Mas,
it grazed.
nangiyasola mina.
It grazed his
Lana
ear.
yakhubeka lana.
No, they say actually the bullet had grazed his ear.
Now, what
But-
I'll say is that in the event that this was orchestrated like by a lot of people, obviously, because I mean it's an assassination attempt, so someone's behind it.
But Americans are
In that, I'm actually agreeing with you, but I'm saying that he didn't know. It could be that abanye abantu like I'm
Mina
benefactors
vele
akhe,
Okay.
theory
like to get those sympathy
theory
votes.
esengayithenga ngiyokuthi i-secret service yekela because kuthiwa i-secret service wayelokhu bekhombela besithi kulo muntu ogade phezulu lapho suspicious.
No, try
And the
even
snipers,
even
yes,
nama
yes, the
supporters
timeline.
mdala
Yes, the
who were
timeline.
there. Keep
Ye-
saying,
ye- yes,
bro,
the
there's an
timeline.
oh
There's-
nothing.
There's
So
an oh
here's
exact.
the timeline.
And they only shot that guy after
no.
Here's the
So
timeline.
yikho lapho i-conspiracy
But
rame ngapho.
okwenzakalayo, I
But
don't
to
think
say
he
the thing
himself
was
is a part
staged,
of
no.
it.
Okay, here's the timeline. 5:10
Naye
p.m.
Thembu umuntu nje ukuthi andidubule nje.
So Crooks is the guy that shot Trump, right? So
Tom Crooks, yes.
10 past 5 p.m. Crook was first identified as a person of interest. 5:30, Crook was spotted with the rangefinder. 5:52, Crook was spotted on the roof by Secret Service. 2 minutes past 6, Trump takes the stage. 6:12 p.m., Crook fires first shot. Right?
ABC News.
ABC News. This is the timeline of what happened, right? Ukuthi Secret Service by 5:52. That's like 12 minutes before. And that's like what? Yeah, that's like almost what? 14 minutes or 20 minutes before. It's 20 minutes before he fired his first shot. He was spotted on the roof. So within these 10 minutes, they did not warn Trump. Or don't go on stage.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Ukuthi i-secret service yengani iyasolisa but yena uTrump zozo ambonto yakwazi nje.
Yeah.
Awula muntu ongavuma ukuthi umuntu amgrize ngebullet.
Yeah,
Noma
nah,
sokuthiwani
nah,
madoda.
nah,
So
it's
singazama
impossible,
ngcono lifake lithi bakufakele ipoison bona ade bekufakele i-ice
Mina
cream.
lingandlalisa past like if I'm running for president and you're like,
that
my
was
guy,
too
here
dark
we're losing.
since
We
that.
need sympathy votes.
But yeah,
I say, no, let's look for another plan.
Ngcono lenze inye like
Ngona
into
dinga
e-
plan
e-
madoda
dinga
but
enye
hayi
plan,
le
not
le
into
le ngekhanda lami impilo yami
Ah,
fam.
Ngabe
But
umuntu
obviously
lona
if
wenza
you then
mistake
look
here
if you look at how
of-
it played out. If you look at how it played out, like how many warnings the guys got and they ignored. Who Tom Crooks? Yeah, what's his history?
Apparently the guy is a registered Republican voter. Agala they searched his phone. Agala, no, like Agala.
Military history.
No, there's like Agula, like
But
there's
Mafoti,
nothing.
it's impossible for you to take a
There's
shot
no
from
point
that
for
far.
Thoba bamxotsha ku rifle club.
Yeah.
But you can always,
Then continue.
you can always. In America, you don't necessarily need to be military.
It
In
wasn't even a
America,
sniper, bro. I think what like an AR-15 umuntu lwana.
and like they looked,
Jake.
they didn't see any.
Blind boy.
Shaying a sniper.
No,
not
it
this
was
one,
sniper.
Yeah, but they didn't see any extremism. Extremism, not even left or right wing.
No, but what I'm saying, there's different ways of
But
looking
Chawa
at
ule
this.
history of bullying.
Yeah, but
Usually
no, but think about it. Like, let's not
because of
look
his
at
looks and
his
shit.
psychological
Yeah.
He was
profile.
an outcast.
But let's say that this guy is a Republican.
Okay.
He's actually a Trump supporter, right?
Yeah.
And now when they pitched this idea to him, like, was saying that, no, because this was obviously planned by
Maybe it
someone.
was their kuta.
I mean, besides that, because it was obviously planned by someone.
But kakuthanga nje kubulele umember wakhe.
Yeah.
Remember, anyone?
Equipment atelayo.
Yeah.
Equipment atelayo
How far
ubulele.
was he from Trump?
Oh, no, it was
yards
like, man, it was quite far, like, because there was a whole crowd in between them.
So that's why I first
But I'm looking at-
crowd.
Yeah.
I'm looking.
But anyway, so let me finish. I was saying, ukuthi
Yabona ukuthi ungabuthi podcast ngabe ukhayela amagaro
Bantu
phandle.
madoda,
Anyway, I was saying that this thing was obviously orchestrated by someone, right?
Yeah.
And this guy being a Republican, they probably say that, no, look, because these people are very patriotic. They probably say that, look, my guy, you're doing this for the greater good. Don't shoot the president. Don't kill him. But in this Ogen Zion, trust me, he's in best belief, Donald Trump is winning this election.
yeah, without a doubt.
He's actually winning. So this guy actually being a Republican and doing what he did as a supporter of Trump actually makes sense.
Yeah, ngisethe Biden yafika ithi and now let me hand over to the president of Ukraine, Vladimir Putin.
Yeah, Liana.
Sleepy Joe.
But
But
am I
anyway,
saying-
before we start,
Yeah.
Sikugile Liana, Jay.
But I must say though, America is showing us. You know, a friend of mine actually said the fact that there's Trump and Biden are the front runners in this election, it just goes on to show that America
Politics
is full of
yangale has gone to the
idiots.
dogs. Kari uBiden yena indaba engaphango
Who are his-
Kamala
Kamala Harris.
someone kari uClinton yena kuhamba njani wadliwa for
Wait.
Clinton had two terms.
Kamala Harris is not the running mate ukuze noma Democrats.
uyilari ndoda wadliwa nguTrump
Oh, clear.
uqalisa.
Wadliwa ngu-Trump wadliwa uchana lakho ya.
Kwakumele azamphendula Harris.
Lapha nanto solo Biden nabanye laba. Career
Because
yakhe.
uBiden-
Phela-
uBiden
but-
ushilo.
but Putin the
Yeah,
career.
aphenduke kathesi.
Into
No,
mphendula
but
Harris.
Hillary said they actually killed their political career.
No.
Yeah, ngama
No,
emails.
no.
Yeah,
Those
besides the emails, but
those emails things
after a
are-
while, bro, like you can actually absolve yourself of that.
Donald
Trump did worse, my guy.
Kule ndaba ndoda uTrump ndoda egrip abantu ngamakhwaya ndoda.
Trump- Trump-
You can't compete
Trump-
with that
Trump-
guy, bro.
Like
Trump
moral
is no
high
more-
ground is
Trump-
concerning.
Trump is no more on high ground.
Yeah,
guy.
but I
Trump
remember
can
the-
bring
Can I
my-
use your phone? Can you unlock it? I want to call someone who's pestering me here, so I need to call. I think you have their number here.
Ngigcine ngifonela actually.
Tell him to fuck off.
Esimgcine
It's a record. Why is he calling?
we're recording the podcast, man.
Kari, go. No, if you are fired, yourself. What are you supposed to do? when you're
Yeah,
fired?
like you
Tshela right to 14.
ufuna uthini nje?
Asingawusithi ehlelweni sona iprogram yokuthatha amaphilisi ndoda.
Hayi no sawubona. Mgcini mhlawumbe kukhona umuntu lapha kobulawa ufuna ukumbingelela.
Ngithanda ukubingelela abangani bami uVuyi lo Mafo lo Nkosi uRalph.
Yeah, hayi sizabatshela umgcini hayi kuthiwa uVuyi uma40 uNkosi lo Ralph asizabatshela abangani bakho ya no siyabonga ukuthi ulalela uhlelo lethu lolu oluhlelo
Ole podcast 99.
iBY podcast ingqoqo 99 yeah
Hayi ngiyakhulu sibili hayi rekhodanini izihlobo zami bye.
hayi kubonga thina selizwile amazwi omngani wethu lapha
Anyway, I was saying before we start, I just wanted to shout out to the comment section. No. I want to make a call. But shout out to the comment section. You guys were fire this week.
Hey, bro,
You love us,
you
eh?
guys were.
You would say, I mean, I have a different view about fire.
Nah, the comments were fire, bro. And
I know.
we had a guest last week. Shout out to Belinda as well. You had the comment section on fire.
Shout
I think
out.
the last
Shout
time we had a comment section, a passion, so I think tough.
Yeah.
The comment section, a passion.
Uthafa wabuya wathi $30 nge-taxi
$100 a day.
Yeah, Belinda was on something.
ayami face ayiphuma nje into emhlathi wakhe ufake ipressure ngayisiyo
Hey, tshela lo mngani wethu Tafi.
kanti abafazi bethu ufuna ama$30 nxa besiye town
But we're still talking about that's what democracy brings. It can bring an idiot to become a president.
Yeah. That is democracy.
That's democracy.
In its truest form.
America's democracy. That's democracy in its truest form. And the fact that we have those guys are the front runners, pro.
One other thing futhi to comment about that democracy ukuthi mina ngamangala vele uthi secret service yethu igadu Trump ngoba lapha eqinisweni angaze ngabona uChamson elindwe anyone la ngeReagan sungamchaya kuRail.
So do you know ukuthi In America, when
so
you
Chamson konkanti ama-CIO equivalent yama-CIO ezimbabwe ilandelana lo muntu we-opposition.
no,
It
presidential
was
guard,
impressive,
the equivalent of presidential guard.
Hi, wait,
Exactly.
I've got a
That was
question. I've got a
quite
question.
impressive.
And, if someone knows, they can answer like in the comment section. But you know like how like the Secret Service is assigned like even to political candidates at some point like in America. Lapha thina i-presidential guard yethu. Yeah. Does it also protect the opposition?
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't, bro.
The person has to look for their own. They have to look for their own detail. They are. Remember, imagine the motorcade. You have a motorcade. So apparently, with talent, you could get a motorcade, to help you do whatever you think. Unaran, this Indian guy in Bulawayo Lapa, Unaran for his daughter's wedding, he had a motorcade, a huge motorcade, a police and what, which infuriated the then president of the country called Robert Mugabe. So much that he went and made it a law that only the president is supposed to have that type of motorcade. This is why even if VP, I got a motorcade like president. VP maybe the 3 or 4 cars. At most maybe 3
But
cars.
ngayengabona inye kwaku-alleged ukuthi ngangakwazi ukuthi nguyini but kwaku-alleged ngu-first lady ngangihamba ngale ku-6 wasimisa wadlula imoto I think
But
that's
by law, only the president is supposed to have the motorcade of such magnitude. When ama-runs or ama-walks in Lawana, you actually pay for the service for the police to be there, or motorbikes, or for them to escort you, actually pay for that service.
But remember, only recently.
Obvious.
Motorcade. But remember, recently, police spokesperson actually addressed this, and they're like, no, school abantu lapha asebenzenzela ama motorcade abo. And he actually like categorically explained. So it's not just the president. Maybe members of the first family and ministers and so on.
No.
But like the one
you have to
okhuluma
look-
ngayo,
yeah.
the one okhuluma ngayo, like is more than 80. Obviously, kabe president because remember kahambi yedwa remember. Yabo. With this guy behamba lo VP bonke boyithu.
No, he's never in the same motorcade as the VPs.
No,
but they trade favor babegcina
No,
trade
they are never in the same motorcade.
They are, bro.
No, for the security, they are never in the same motorcade.
mafoti la singaphikisani
I'm
nje
telling you,
ama-comments
bazahamba bonke.
Nje
Ngizabona behamba bonke ngenyawo, but they are never in the same motorcade.
hayi mafoti
Yes.
mafoti ikelinkani man
No, VP
no
arrives first.
no
No,
asibambeni
no,
khona
I'm saying,
mafoti abantu
I'm
bathola
saying.
bakhala kuma-comments ngamanga
No, but I'm honestly speaking. Imotorcade ka-president ihamba yodwa.
on
The
paper
ministers.
ngizama ukutshela ukuthi bevele trade fair kwakulawo ambassador even lo Ruto ndoda I think wawufika imoto 50 mafoti
No,
kuzela
but
wawufika
I'm telling
imoto
you.
50 zavaba bazokutshela
Do
into
you know
yakula
what- do you know what
wawufika
happens?
imoto 50 la hamba
Do you know what
bonke
happens?
Kepha ngama-motorcade amaningi esehlangene.
exactly
Hayi.
asibuza abantu abesetrade fair bazawutshela baphuma njani abantu labawo
It's not the
Ukuthi
case.
jabo.
50 zika
It is
president,
not the
50
case.
zika
No,
vice
do you know
president.
what happens?
What
Like,
for like
like,
50
Do you know what
39,
happens?
and then it
No, do you know what happens?
Zihambe
Do you,
zonke
have you
vele.
seen now? Have you seen?
Imini yonke from 2 p.m. up to 6. They close down the roads, bro, for that
I
motorcade.
cannot say. We'll talk to this after. I cannot say
Aye,
this.
why don't talk about
I
it
cannot
now,
say-
Mafoti?
no,
I saw my
there's
say
a reason
out
why. No. There's a reason why I can say it in public. But we'll talk after. We'll talk after.
Manje slate bazakudinga bakho
We'll talk after.
It's fine,
We'll
but
talk
I mean,
after.
don't
We'll
you
talk
know
after.
there are
We'll talk
instances where they actually go together, bro.
We'll talk after.
There are instances.
Anyway.
I know what you're saying on
Anyway.
paper makes sense.
into ayitshoyo yani ama-security reasons awakhulumayo yani
Anyway.
nyawafa
Let's go back to the democracy.
but hayi mawuthi into ekhuluma
Let's go back to. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the
on the
planet.
planet.
Yeah, Uzamile.
Uzamile,
Aya uchunile.
uchunile, uzamile.
But also I know we're still like I know I'm moving on from.
I'm still welcoming.
All right, I know.
Welcome, guys, to another episode of the BIO podcast in Ingxoxo 99 with your host, none other than the man, the one and only, the man himself. Ma44, the name so nice, you gotta say it twice. No relation to G40. Love you, la.
Nah, I'm not over you.
And obviously, silo unkosi uRalph.
Yes.
Nah, dog, you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to tell people my
Lena, you
name.
go. Lena, yazi into.
Because my home in course nga.
It's not me, bro.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
Ralph.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then,
bro.
and our sound engineer there. What's up, bro? and ndimuzwile vanokurumilelo sabonisa abanye abasabona.
But uyabuya.
Yeah, uyajika.
Anyway, now
Suspension
let's
is-
get into it.
Yeah. But okay, I will just continue from that. I'm gonna continue from the whole democracy thing. My elections. There was recently an election in Africa where a president was re-elected by 99.18% of the vote.
Yeah.
That thing to me proved the theory one. If you're doing the right thing sometimes, people really don't care about politics, bro.
Okay.
That's why in America people vote in an idiot like Trump. Because things are okay on the ground. Fanana lami nje. Mina nga is mabe right. Nga is cover very nga le paint less cover. Like I don't even care that much about who's running the country, bro. As long as things are okay.
So that means
Into le improve the theory nale.
So that means is
Because this guy's been in power since when?
and that
2000,
guy just given him near quarter century in office now. And
Exactly.
that's none other than Paul Kagame of Rwanda. But although it goes on to say there were two guys who were standing against him, and obviously they caused a defeat on Monday, this past Monday. But Ama Rights Group, obviously, Rights Group will say it was marred by a crackdown on journalists, opposition, and civil society groups. Obviously, it's been said over a couple
Their
of years.
economy is booming, bro. Rwanda is probably the best country in Africa.
The economy
In
is
terms of development, yeah. Not like maybe Abakafik where they want to go, but they are really
the
going
fastest
into the
emerging
highest level.
economy on the continent.
And then recently we had the British election. That's some weeks ago.
Izanyela intamo la nikhona.
Che uzakuwa pra.
Guys,
So
if venue
this-
less I cater sisazi ukuthi sikhethela.
Recently with
It's not a mistake.
So recently with the British elections, with the British elections where the ruling party lost, right? And now, and then we have the Burkina Faso recently announced that the military junta will continue being in rule for 5 years. They had said they're gonna let go of rule in June 2024, but they've now announced that they're gonna be in power for the next coming 5 years while they're trying to transition to civil rule. That's the Burkina Faso military junta.
Okay.
Right?
But yeah, 9 times out of 10 across the world, democracy seems to be winning. So it's quite a triggering thing to see.
9 out of 10.
Unfortunately. Yeah,
9 out of 10.
times.
I believe in Africa, democracy has been losing. Why?
Ukhuluma ngendaba ezi-
Yeah.
Britain,
Britain, okay, there's SA democracy
SA.
also.
Yeah.
Then Burkina Faso is a coup.
there's
It
always
was a coup.
outliers, yeah.
And then there's also a coup in Mali and Niger. And those guys actually did a summit, Emma military juntas recently. Yeah. And they're all going the same route. They are saying we are coming out of the Franks, what. So my question is here, is how come democracy, how come democracy struggles in Africa? Like, how come democracy struggles in Africa, guys? What could be our problem? Why is it every time our elections they always have to be, war? There has to be a coup. What's happening? What's wrong in Africa? Where are we getting it wrong?
We're going to get there. Ngambukeli interview ka-Zakes. Zakes was saying, why is the analogy ukuthi sonke la we've been hungry for the longest time. Mzwana benika uvuyi ilofu yesinku ukuthi asishare sonke la. Chances are it's going to fuck us over. Because
Aisha yafe one esinye number two slices.
So yeah, Zakes was just coming through with that point ukuthi things haven't been right for us for the longest time, since colonialism, since slave trade, since when. So the very few of us who get fortunate enough to represent us end up, quenching their own thirst before they khangela kithi. So that's been and I kind of believed it though, because you can't really judge. Ngambuza uvuyi the other time ukuthi wena ungavukela ini nesithupha la liyani ivukelwa ngo4 lento yaku number 300 kubuya umasala kumbe umngane wakho usungu number 1 wenzani nginisa dog but wena nxa usemuva kona umuntu esenza njalo ethini
Yapopota.
wrong i-problem ekhona yikuyini la inende asomuntu ongenisa phambili so i-corruption i-reflect indlala actually Ngasi Yasuta, there's no need to steal money.
Yeah.
If we,
I don't think it's an African problem. There's no democracy everywhere. It's just that in other countries, it's masked by other things. For example, I was listening to, I've been watching a show called Billions. It's actually a really dope show. You guys try it out. And also like being kind of like wondering how like the federal system in America is set up. There's nothing democratic about it. Yeah, well, there's certain institutions that are running the country and the world right now. And regardless of it's not the will of the people. It's the will of those institutions. And the same thing in a different way is then mirrored in Africa. There's certain people that are benefiting from system economic, and they will do everything that they want. For example, remember the time when the coup happened? That was the closest we've come to the spirit of democracy ever since 1980.
Yeah.
But we forgot that the institution that led us, to the country that's still there was still in power. Yeah, one. Abantu, the mistake they made was that they thought that no, Umuntu at the top is the problem, not the institution that's running things.
Yeah. Napana ngithini inkinga yethu ukuthi why should drive bus?
Why should drive a bus?
But
But
ibhasi
Yeah.
ayiqhubekanga ikhaya lapha yakhona.
It's like you see the bus is running and you can see that no, here we're going off a cliff.
Exactly.
And you think that the bus driver jumping off.
Who's changing the direction of the bus now?
And then I love to get a driver.
Okay, did it?
Anyathela amafuthi iqhubeke
Press You're right. You know what I mean?
So the system is always bigger than everyone.
It's always bigger than, and the thing is that it manifests itself in different ways. In America, we are speaking about institutions. In Europe, we're speaking about aristocracy. Certain families that are running like shit. So gabalanda ukuthi ungene individual bani and ungene nge-ticket leap. But they first make sure ukuthi mafoti or know what's up, know what time it is, know who's in charge. It's not you.
But then
So it's not an African problem.
How will you change the bus without changing the driver?
it originally passed that change the driver.
This is when something like called pure revolution is
Where everyone in the bus is like, okay,
when everyone in the bus is like, yeah, but like,
but
yeah,
there's
but-
a hand
It's
off the
a
cliff.
Yeah.
So now what you see happening is one of the passengers will then make everyone in the bus believe that no, we're okay, it's sharp, we don't need to get off. Bus, yeah, fine. We can see that we're heading for disaster, but it's okay. Don't worry, nothing's wrong. But if so, okay, all 65 of us stand up and say, I know.
Faxes.
In double, bus tina siyehle or as bus or whatever. Like what's required is complete and total revolution. And this is when I talk about like Noguchi. This is how, like in a revolution, it doesn't require like intellect. That's how you see people like Trump again. I want to and Gayton Mackenzie. He was recently elected in the South African elections.
Yeah.
As and now his portfolio is a minister of sports, arts and culture. And the guy is thick. That guy is dull, bro.
But he's
But
there. He's there.
he's there, and
Peter
but
Machel.
besides his intellect, and
Yeah.
I would trust him because he carries the spirit of the people. There's nothing that he's doing that people are saying that why look. They're just saying with the. And remember, Julius, they say the same thing about him as well.
Would do talent dangerous.
Which remember, but he carried the spirit of the people.
He
You
still
know what I
does.
mean? So as long as there's complete revolution and the spirit of abantu bona laba abadala bona laba ezibathathela phansi the 99% who are dull and poor or whatever, if there's a revolution that encompasses like their needs, that's when you can have like a democracy.
Going back on America, I realized Hillary Clinton won the popular vote and she lost the college vote.
Yeah.
So in America, millions might want you. The whole country might vote for you. But if the college vote,
But exactly, a system has been put in place.
there are people, there are certain delegates who are going to sit and vote for a president.
Yeah.
In each state, there's a certain number of delegates. This is why most of the time it's always important to win a state. Because you're bound to have those college vote coming to you. Yabona. Now, but Hillary got the popular vote, but she lost the college vote. That means it might not be democracy. Because Bwangeli mfunile, but the college vote says otherwise.
But even in that kind of system, it's sort of like nuanced in a way. it's like get benefit abantu here and there. It's not like which of course hey I saw dictatorship because this billionaire is gonna do this. Abantu baza twist a bit. But bottom line is you have to make people feel like they're in a democracy.
Yeah.
Although it's to a certain extent.
I mean,
I feel like it's a reasonable compromise.
Yeah, I mean, just look at 1990 South Africa. After a very long time, apartheid, the South African people are promised democracy. You don't know what kind of democracy it is, but so I know. So let democracy lapa. And basically what they do, they release Mandela and so on, and there's elections and stuff like that. But to this day, we know for a fact that white monopoly capital is still in charge. This is how it's still in charge.
Exactly.
They created.
But you see,
but created
an illusion.
No, not just that. It's still nuances, like Ralph is saying. Which I find on paper, the people. It's a rainbow nation. The people got the land back.
Yeah.
But when you think about it, like where it matters,
the voice of God.
where it matters, did they really?
Exactly.
For example, think of this in black economic empowerment.
PEE.
This is how abantu abanjengo Ramaphosa, Motsepe, that's how they got in.
They got the
Basically,
monies,
what
yeah.
they did was that, like in mining companies, energy companies, and so on, we're gonna find a black person who's gonna be a patsy. Yeah, one. When sakuni shareholding in 5% nje, but umsebenzi wakho nguthule. So on paper, as far as the government is concerned, we are empowering black
Blacks,
people,
yeah.
but we are still in charge of this shit.
of them, yeah.
Yeah, one.
So I feel like if we can maybe come up with such systems across the world, it's a better compromise because you won't take away dictatorship and all those kind of things.
No,
100%.
But is dictatorship a bad thing?
Which is what I was gonna lead
Takes
to
me
that
back
point.
to my point.
It's not.
Rwanda, it's not a bad thing.
It's
as
not.
long as you're gonna deliver, we don't care. Mina
Yeah.
jeka la ndaba,
I
dude.
was about to say something, and then I realized people in the comment section are gonna go on fire.
Because like look at it. Let's look at Rwanda.
Mina
Rwanda's
eqinisweni
like,
guys,
Yeah.
I don't even care about politics that much. eZimbabwe mina
if it works for you as a
maybe
citizen,
Zimbabwe at least maybe ifanana le South Africa maybe 80% will pay for my economy lana. Mina register voter guys. I'll just be living my life, shooting this podcast and continuing. But usforce ukuthi uhambe vote because things are not right.
Yeah.
So I feel like there are a lot of people like me who think doesn't have a right.
Yeah.
Who didn't care about who's in power.
like for example, looking at Rwanda, this guy won with how many? 99.18%.
All the votes go on.
Maybe 0 point something like that. I'm spoiled.
Then obviously spoiled balance and so on, and then the other two guys like split to 0 point something between themselves. And then obviously it then says that this party like was marred, but this election was marred by a crackdown on journalists, opposition, civil society groups. Now, I'm not condoning this, but there's a difference between the spirit of democracy and the rule of democracy. The rule of democracy will say that, no, why are you intimidating people? But the spirit of democracy will then say that, no, I'm doing it because I know people still want me anyway. And I'm good for the country. I've been doing good things.
Why are you
I'm
writing bad
leading to
things about
developments. Not even just that, but, like the spirit of democracy dictates that either way they're going to vote for me. They should vote for me because I've been doing really good things for them. And I want to continue doing that. If you're going to write shit about me, you're becoming an impediment to the development of the country. It's also a very dictatorial.
For the greater good.
For the greater good, yeah. It's a fucked up way of thinking, of course. But
Yes. Anti-sanctions. That's when my sanctions.
why exactly? Why are you putting
We're
sanctions?
trying to fix the country and you're busy putting sanctions. What's that? Sanctions.
Okay. So the question of the day is supposed to come later, but I'm seeing. Let me put it here because I know the other things will follow after. The question of the day was, what makes you think if ZANU wasn't in power, you'd be having a better life? What makes you think that if ZANU-PF was not in power in Zimbabwe, you'd be having a better life? What makes you think that?
There's two parts to this question.
No, actually, let's do it like this. Question
Yeah.
of the day, let's not generalize. Asenzeni kube individual.
Yeah.
Wena njengovuyi ngakuda system ekhona le Zimbabwe.
Even the guys in the comment section, I think we would want to read your comments next week.
Yes,
Please
yes.
answer this question Put it
And
out.
as a segue, shout out to the comment section. Tell us, Democrats. We saw people that were saying, "Hey, libo fake check and it shows that you're not a passive audience.
Yeah,
and for
yeah.
that, I appreciate.
Yeah.
It shows you are not listening to pastime at work. You're actually listening. Now, guys, contradicting to let libo fake check. Thank you for that. We really appreciate that kind of feedback. Yeah. And phakathi kwelithi angazi mbani kulo munye wanyayo last week wabesithi kuthiwa i-goat is an okay animal in the Bible. Umuntu wakhona wakhotha ivesi wathi no, the goat actually resembles the other side.
Thina sabatheni
Even
we
le
believe that i-goat
Illuminati,
is
i-goat is Baphomet and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sure it
For
could.
real.
Yes, kule verse. I think Revelation 12 uzabuye ehlukanise
Ubatshele, Jackie, the goat is actually a good thing, bro.
No,
But
the goat is
The
not,
goat is a
bro.
good thing, bro.
it is.
Nah, in the Bible
Alright,
it's not.
man,
Goat or ram?
Oh.
Is it a ram or a goat?
Goat.
Yeah, there's different classifications. So there's verses to do with the ram.
Okay.
And then there'll be one the elembus.
Imbuzi hasn't been portrayed to
Which are Revelations, Banjo?
Dog, I can't be quoting. I don't know.
You can't be
When
quoting.
I
Just say
get
God's
a
revelation.
If
you're using the
But
app,
what
go
I
to
know
Bab and say goat.
is
Just
All right,
goat.
whilst he's on that.
You don't that
Yeah.
Messi
Question of the
or
day.
Cristiano
Let's go.
to write.
Let's go back.
So I
But
think what-
Lapam now was just shouting out
Yeah.
the audience.
Yeah.
What makes
your
you
views are
think-
valid.
As a person, what makes you think if Zan wasn't in power, you'd be having a better life? Because you're in Zim or as a Zimbabwe.
I think it's the experience we've had with Zanu.
Okay.
Konoko ukuthi since 1980 it's been Zanu.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
So don't say since 1980. Since
Fine, since I was born.
Okay.
And then
Basic
before,
guy.
like
Even
that. Yeah.
before I was born.
He's not incorrect.
Okay. Continue. What's
You know,
community?
if-
I'm 80s children. Continue.
Uzibone la izani yakhona it keeps getting worse.
Yeah.
I remember ngezitori mina engizitshelwayo. Back in the day, there was that thing yokuthi bread would be delivered at your home, milk
Yeah.
would be delivered at your home,
Manje
newspaper
ngokukha
delivered
kudala
and
ukuthi
everything.
isikolo
You know,
bathole uchago
and then come to today. Actually, not even today.
Umafoti babethola uchago
During
esikolo.
isikhathi sikaMgabe, you'll get your low bills for 90 cents. Elamaspinas phezulu. And then today, low bills is going for like $1.10, $1, something like that, and with nothing on top. So it's a sign that things are keep getting worse, not even better. And the government is not changing. So what if we try and change? At least let's change, then we see from there what will happen.
All right.
Okay.
Valid.
Yeah, Mina, for me, it's my career. It's my career path, and the people that I've been interacting with are abroad, hired by the same company, by the way, as me, and bona ngoba khangela laphana nxa sixoxa into ezi-social, like even khangela ama-WhatsApp status abo, the cars that they drive, ngikhuluma abantu okusempeyibheni lami la, the cars that they drive, the kind of lifestyle that they live is way too different from what I'm living here.
But
So I feel like there's something
liyafana.
wrong in this country.
Yeah.
Because sikhathwe umuntu oyi-1 sikuphephe efana nayo, wena welinye ilizwe uhamba M4 usuvele sule mortgage yakho le ndlu yakho, uyathi nxa sikhuluma khoza Jake next week I won't be there, ngifuna fly out le muli yami siya holiday. Then I'm thinking shit, ukuze ngibe le holiday le, I really have to sweat, bro. But omunye umuntu kuye vele easy, like even 3 times a year bekuchethi. And it's not even higher pay bands than me, bro. Don't get me wrong. Even labantu engafundela be-NUST babe le nhlanhla yokuthi maybe abazali babo babe-UK, same degree, bahamba baya-UK, basebenza the same job as me, bakhatshana kakhulu empilweni. So that to me showed me ukuthi there's something that's not going right. I can't pinpoint ukuthi kuyini, but there's definitely something not going right in this country. Because we can't be doing the same things, having the same qualifications, but abanye abantu are like 10 years ahead of me now. So for me, that's why maybe the system has to change for someone else.
Okay. All right. Very interesting. I think that, like for me, it's in 2 parts. If ZANU-PF was not in charge or in power, there would be a chance that life would be better. Right? But most importantly than that chance is the spirit of ZANU-PF. They didn't make up anything that they're doing right now. It's been done before. Yeah, well. So that whole spirit here, corruption, that sense of ownership, which like this thing doesn't belong to the people, it belongs to a certain group of people, certain individuals. If that spirit Chinu, exactly. And the unfortunate thing is that I've never, like, I've heard the opposition say that
Yeah.
several times. And to me, it raised so many red flags. With how Nelson Chamisa like khuluma ngento le. Is he really speaking for the people, or he's now like ukhayinde isihlalo lesi as into yakhe? It belongs to him. It's rightfully his. And there's a problem with that because again, so his spirit so as a dictatorship, as a corruption and so on. So yeah, for me, I'd actually change the question. I wouldn't say like if ZANU-PF wasn't in charge, life would be better. I'll say if the spirit of ZANU-PF was extinguished.
Exactly. Ukuthi problem ukuthi ZANU-PF is the only ones.
It's the organization.
We've been in power as the system. But
if that spirit,
their ideologies could easily be MDC could easily be Uma40 right?
Yeah.
But Kenan Banana was gonna take us. Bro was Rainbow Nationing in 1980, bro. That fucking that nigga was ahead of his time, bro. That nigga was ahead of his time.
Way ahead of his time.
I feel like he should have stayed longer.
The reason I'm asking is there's probably someone probably in the same field as you, doing better than you, without being corrupt, living a better life than you. Like, as in, they're like, for instance, wrong example, right? Maybe it's a wrong example. We have Winky D. We have Japreza. They're not the only singers in Zimbabwe, right? But they seem to be doing well in Zimbabwe. In the same country that other singers. So could it be the situation, or all our talent very well? Or talent very like
no, like Mafoto, you know what you're saying is sorry to cut.
Yeah.
In Zimbabwe, things are so bad that you have to be really, really outstanding.
Yeah.
For you to, because Labo Japrez Lonki Diokona, it's not like they're living like Drake. Drake uhlezi endlini 100 million guys.
Yeah.
Ujapreza maybe at most maybe ngihlala kiyo maybe 100,000. If at most.
Yeah.
So tina swini system lani yokuthi nxa uyimember even who's half as good or even quarter good.
Vanilla ice.
Ukwanisa ukuthi uphi exactly kule ezinje ukuhleka nje uyabona imember leziyana kunanzela imember leziyana maybe yabifeature ku album lika Drake mbele ka Lilo. Engaziwayo so to follow one maybe ubona imember uthiwa maybe nguTizo Touchdown. Uyikhayela Instagram maybe lama followers ayi 10,000. But you look that guy ukhayela umstock ubone umuntu lo is always booked. Upost his drivers eBenz. Like he's living akadube ushab but akaziwa kakhulu. Yike sikufunako nkanti. Umuntu onjengobani norisbo. Ukuthi member akambi ibizo la yabona ngisithathela lapha. But umuntu omepo njenge any bula artist that might come to your mind. Ekwanisa ukuthi continue. Ekwanisa ukuthi ebelendlu yakhe bro. Lokhu decent mode. You don't have to be Winky D like cause Winky D ngase simcompare sokufana lo Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Now it states. Japreza sefana lo bani, sefana lo Drake, sefana lo Ed Sheeran. Like so many ube really good. So maybe 10 out of 10 for you to make a living.
Is it
so
a matter of
right?
Is it a matter of being
even
good?
Egole singakekhatshana. Egole kwele inye ngo DJ amapiano maybe late nge 1 or 2. But we when asiposter silendlu lapha okuyi 3 bedroom la so sweet so sharp ayikho blind ayifana lo AKA la millions ayifana lo Casper but he's okay bro because ukufunako no.
Is it a matter of being that good, especially when it comes to Zim? Is it a matter of being that good, or it's a matter of who you know?
For someone like Winky G is actually going against the system. I think talent lack sometimes is to kill.
Easy.
Are you sure he's going against the system?
But he is. Look.
Are you sure?
I do work for a state-owned radio station here and there. I think feel that my first day they're like, look, we don't play this guy's music.
It could be a narrative, but continue.
No. The ban was recently lifted, like just weeks ago. But that
there was never an official ban.
But what I'm saying is,
no, but
you really have
there
to
was
be
never
good,
an official ban.
Because remember, Liana Nomigu show.
But besides, the point that I'm trying to make is, me as a radio presenter, and if I like my job and I've been told that, look, it's important that you don't play this guy's music. We discourage you from playing this guy's music, even if there's no official ban. Is ngumuntu vela olokhuzayo o gathandwayo engathandwa ngoba he goes against the state.
Does he?
I'm
I still
arguing
about Winky alive this music.
I wouldn't classify him as an activist.
Definitely not.
I wouldn't classify him as an activist. I wouldn't classify him as someone who's
He's a business person who realized
anti-establishment.
He's a business person who realized that people will love you more if you show that you're from the other side, and he makes money out of it. Simple and straightforward.
A weird example.
possible.
Look at your Nasty C's.
Yeah.
Can you see where that guy came from and the period it took him to come to where he is right now?
Yeah.
And look at your Japrisas and your...
Yeah, you see, that's what I'm saying. Umuntu onjengo-Nasty C on paper ungcono kulo Japreza.
True.
But kuyikuthi ngayi Zimbabwe is a better country,
Fail as
better
he
thing.
is.
Japreza is not
Japreza will
supposed to
be
be
far.
compared to Nasty C.
All right, no.
See? But anyway, let's move.
Which
Suspend the question anyway.
It leads
We're
me
inverting the show.
Yeah,
anyway.
yeah.
Starting your question of the day.
It leads me to you spoke of mortgages.
Yeah.
Do people even know what mortgages are? Okay, anyway, regardless.
Yeah,
but
let's talk
Pongokasi is a
guys.
joke.
Ngangekho podcast. Just give you context. Ngangekho podcast. There's a platform where I always speak my mind, and then this week I spoke my mind, and I really outraged the entire nation, bro. I think the impressions for my tweet right now like 100K in Angwas.
Damn.
So a lot of people were engaging the tweet, and now I was saying, free Zimbabweans from the shackles of on codes buying stands, bro. So I was coming from a place where every time a Zimbabwean engathola X amount, the first thing that comes to mind, you would take a stand. Because we all want to be homeowners, I think.
Yep.
And mina, for me, that logic, ilama pros and cons. And I wanted to focus on my disadvantages. Any logic. Why every time ungathola imali uthenge stand? Because kulama extremes la nokuthi uvuye nje so ethole 100,000 besanda kwenza ideal labo Victor labo Wigner. Esehambe eBrook ngale Harare. Asikule stands 100,000 ambe esithenga. But little does we know ukuthi sengathola indlu ekhumalo la 4 bedroom dumbe ngake ele swimming pool nge 80,000. So that's where I was coming from. Guys, East End is not like Infinity Stone ukuthi yehle kulungisele yonke into yakho. Because most of us here besana kukhuluma ukuthi how ilizwe leli sets us back.
Yeah.
You may save your entire life, maybe usuku 40, that's when maybe my savings are now maybe at 30 or 40,000. So taking that entire money, locking it in a stand, ongakwaziyo lokuthi uzadevelopa ngani, is stupid. Because emakhasi ngale indlu yenketho kwenza indlu yenketho nge20, nge15, ngemalini depending ukuthi uyithole kubani lokuthi bekuhamba njani. Kunama context etshiyeneyo. So that was saying ukuthi people should always explore other options before just buying a stand. Because that's so that was saying, and then Gosoku sparky discourse, and then everyone was just throwing in there. And what I liked is that everyone on that tweet was being, everyone under that tweet was being mature. Wonke umuntu under that tweet, of course there are a few here ababezama ukuba most people were being educational, even laba professionals and stuff were coming in laba befaka ama 2 cents up. It was really a few who were just trying to let them back-ended responses to trend.
Idiots.
My thoughts on this one are,
so let's just chop it up.
If it can happen each and
Bemfuna sifonela uDube because lo mngane wethu uDube. He's a real estate agent. Bemfuna ukuthi simbuze ukuthi because lo munye futhi andithatha inamba. Lo munye mngane wami futhi ungu-quantity surveyor. Ade mfuna simfonela asitshele ukuthi uthenga istand lo kwakhe indlu imalini. Then bese sifonela uDube asitshele ku-real estate ukuthi uthenga indlu imalini. And then you're going to see what the differences are not really that much.
Now, there's something that I want to say on that. Twitter, it only allows you to say a few characters.
Exactly.
But there was merit to what you were saying, but I thought there was more to the story than like what meets the eye.
Exactly.
For example, but I think he wanted to say something.
Yeah.
All right. The thing is, it's now a mentality of Zimbabweans. Look at the Zimbabwean history. Almost all the battles were all based on land. So that mentality of saying without land I'm nothing, without land I'm nothing, it has grown and cultivated itself so much that
I mean, it is true. The rich guys
if you buy a house, you already have land.
The rich guys got
but
land.
then engqondweni yomuntu kebe kusithi khona, but if I buy a house, if I buy a
I think he's
stand,
saying it's a
I've got
programming
more
that we have.
solid. I've got more solid ground than umuntu olendlu. Angikwazi ukuyiminteleji kwangikhona sakuthatha ngapha.
Do you know what it's like? A rancher who likes counting his sheep, his cattle at the end of the day. Do you know him and someone with Bitcoin? Bazifananela.
Literally, bayafanana.
Bafanana. But
stock exchange.
yeah, now what he likes is khona uthi right. So ngu-6. Ngifuna ukuzibona zonke esibayeni.
Usuthola ukuthi
These are my
Bitcoin
assets.
ungcono.
He doesn't even cater to the fact that one day kuyavuka kuqanda ukuve kule drought.
Kejwala izulu nje.
Inkomo ivuka ishaya
Mina wami
umbani.
uyabulala
Foot in mouth. Hey, mini Bitcoin yami lokho
Ihlezi ku-account.
Abayikho lama wallet anyway. There's nothing secure anyway.
Yeah.
So,
And it's funny because Museveni, like the president of what country is that? Uganda.
Uganda, yeah.
Mambu's good. Mtala, what do you think about it? And this is actually a true story. What do you think about Indawale as a cryptocurrency? Like, my guy, I like seeing my kettle at the end of the day. Like, ngithanda ungena endlini yami mbona ukuthi right.
1 2 3 4 5.
1 2 3 4 5.
Sure.
Right. Zikwanile. Sense yalala. Yeah, well. So anyway, leading to that point, and here's as well. Here's how it is. I alluded to this, but unfortunately, I just didn't have time to explain what I was saying. The true cost of inflation is not money or buying power, but like what people think. It's time and energy, right? What took your parents 10 years to do will take you 20 years to do, or 30 years to do, if you do it the way you're supposed to do it. Yeah, bon. So, Bona, it was easy for them to buy houses. It was not, let me not say easy because it sounds privileged, but it was easy.
Shorter
They had
process,
their challenges, Labo.
They had their challenges, Laban.
But
But you know, like me and I, think
of
of a show like The Simpsons, bruh. Homer Simpson is, I mean, it's a cartoon, so but Homer Simpson is a guy who didn't go to school. Who didn't go to high school and he's got a job, but he's got a house and 2 cars. And that's the model.
Labantwana.
Yeah, well, and the kids go to school, and that's the model American family. And you know, so take that example and apply it even here. Look, it was easier for you to go into a bank at some point and get a lump sum. And I'm gonna put this towards a mortgage, you know, and stuff like that. Now, my guy, like, so they won't even give you the time of the day.
Yeah, right now, if you approach a bank and say, I want even like 10 pence, bro, you're going to get that shit after 6 months, after heavy scrutiny. Like, 10 pence is nothing.
Exactly. It's nothing. As far as property ownership is concerned, my
10
guy.
pence is nothing, bro.
Ibhenki ikhatshana, bro.
Yeah.
Ngephe one othenga umbheda le TV le utroopu.
This is 1 month. Yeah, well.
Wena
So
ka
anyway,
1 month ebhadala.
Yeah, I'm
Now-
pay but that's besides the point.
so now anyway, now this is the point that I'm making.
I'm sorry to check. Hey,
She's really point.
damn.
That man.
You're calling on the highest. Yeah.
I quite next. $100 is a new $10, bro. $100 is shame on you. Mina
So
ngathi
now-
vine ebhange ngiqanile $100 yabe ndlenhloni ndoda. Yabe ndlenhloni ukuthi lapha.
So anyway, now think about it this way, Annie.
Yes.
Chances are abantu are now prioritizing buying stands. It's not like ba stupid abantu bona la. Bayakwazi ukuthi nje ngathenga stand. It will take me 10 years to build on that shit, bro. A project that's supposed to ideally take 6 months is going to take me 10 years. But when about you know what? Ngomholo wami kathesi, what I can afford is to get materials bichana and being yakha bichana. Yeah, well, I'm not in a position whereby I can look for 60K, 80K, 100K and buy a house.
And you know what other key thing? Ngayenza survey. When I'm doing these things, I take my time, bro.
Yeah.
Ngayenza survey abanye abantu like my mentors abanye babemfundisa e-university. Ask them uthenga istand sakho maybe around 2008 2009 wasithenga malini. And the most expensive stand price engayizwayo was 2000. Esemayadini.
Damn.
Khathesi uyasithola stand semalini le.
Simple.
Okay,
So looking at your
for me-
100Ks and stuff.
For me,
So into engitsho ukuthi abantu bona lokho bestuck ku-mentality yakudala and i-stand sesiyi-$500 siphumula east.
Yeah.
Khathesi angeke usinuke vele.
But here's the thing, for me, and it's like if you take a stand and if you take nga, and for what purpose? Ne? I cannot, okay, this is me. Don't come after me. I cannot go and buy a stand, say 8,000, a range more. Like I can't. I cannot spend 8K and range more.
njengabathengi istands
Is
range
it
monye
200 square meters, 300 square meters for 8K. No, I can't.
Athi bona bafuna
Listen,
istand.
abathengi stand
Ukuthi singabi ngabona ndaba. But also,
indaba yestand le futhi
Range Rover is
eHarare
actually an emerging township. I think he
Yeah,
knows
it
this.
is. No, it is. It is.
So
It
right
is.
now it's dumb
but
getting
okay,
a
but
stand in
it-
Range Rover.
but
But there's going to be a time whereby getting a
this
stand
is
in
my
Range
this is my
Rover is going to
argument.
be like
Get
10
get
times
me.
more expensive.
Get me. This is my argument.
Yeah.
When stands are being pushed out, there's what they call serviced stands. What do they mean when they say serviced stands? They mean your tar,
So,
your sewage,
and,
your zesa.
it's not just a.
It's not just you get they've put all that. You know they've planned ukuthi kuzaba lesikolo lapha kuzaba indawo ngana ama-stands ama-church ngana ama-stands ama-shop, right? But you cannot buy a stand right now and go to a place where awufakwa ngumgwaqo akula sewer, and you're now everyone he wants to drill a borehole, everyone should have a solar, everyone has to have his septic tank and soak away.
exactly
And
that,
we know
that was
how-
my other point.
and here's the thing.
bathengi stand se 40,000 okwazi sakula magate wethu
Akula
usuqedile
manzi.
lokuyakindle khona after 20 years so kumele udinga isola so kumele ugebhe umgodi wokubranchela ndoda.
And here's the tricky thing. Why most people are putting these soakaways, you know, our septic tank and soakaways. You're actually polluting our water table.
Now, ball, water sibaba
bowls,
because
now
it's full of
bowls,
shit.
we have shit in them.
Full of shit.
Now bowls, we have shit in them.
Yes,
And
ball water is full of shit.
no, the fuck are you buying an 8,000 stand for that? Like, I think at some point, I think our government has done something in Harare. It's supposed to pay with some stands in Harare. I think they should do that
That's another
countrywide.
thing omunye umuntu
I think they should
omfakele
do
khona
countrywide, because the people that are dishing out these stands now are
kulo
unscrupulous.
munye umuntu kuma replies omfakele like ama statistics on lana ama land barons lama land scams on la
Yeah.
stand eHarare twa kuyenzakala to a point yokuthi umuntu uyadish out ama stands, let's say for example kobula maybe city Harrisville yonke la wonke Harrisville siyakho njani,
Yeah.
then kuphuma i-article i-council ithi thina umuntu lwasimauthorize njani izinto lezi, they go on a demo mission bro, but lezi zinto zonke zonke imagine just because
But does
we
that mean that buying a stand is bad?
no
There are rules.
okay.
There are rules that apply. There are rules
What
that
I'm
apply.
saying is, if you are to buy a stand, make sure one, it's
Yeah.
an informed decision. Two, make sure weigh ama options akho wabona imali eniledi ingakwani yini enye indlu elsewhere ongayirenovata.
Awuzangiphonga ukuhamba ku-Hawk Flight wathi ngicane
Exactly.
but ingandla manga no-Hawk Flight babethingisa izinto ezidilikayo ndo bana.
Three, just make sure ukuthi it's not a scam.
Sorry,
Get a
bani
title
ngakula
deed for
abantu
that land.
ababukele,
Yeah.
Because kulabanye abantu futhi engase ngibezwe even labo Kensington kuthiwa bayathengisa
Ulele mdala ubuyele
bathengisa like 10 hectares nga-1, but then nxa lonke liyi-10 maybe lithenga ama-1 hectare. You first, all of you have to pay in full for you to get the shared title deed, and then selise emalweni sithi split. Like it's a complicated thing. So
I think-
don't just wake up tomorrow. Maybe lo munye
Yeah.
angihloko silemember lapha disithi Chadizo. Maybe yafonela omunye umalume ayase UK J. Anisuprice impilo nansi 20,000 and nansi 30,000. You know that you're not going to stumble upon that money, or chances of you stumbling upon that money again are slim. Just be wise
So
with that
do-
money.
kule nto kuthiwa
Oh.
i-due diligence.
Dlalisa
Yeah.
buying a stick.
Research.
Because when
ubone
you're going to
ukuthi-
feel like
yeah.
you have done it or you've made it in life
So-
by buying stand, but you've brought yourself a lot of problems.
So I've
Make sure
there's
it's
this
informed.
information I got from this guy. In terms of when you are buying land and stuff like that, it just says. Let me just read a few things. It just says, when a real estate agent or landowner offers a property for sale, the first step is to get a copy of the land title. Investigate at the register of deeds using this copy to ensure that land is free of mortgages, claims, or other issues. Yeah.
Trade
It's a
codes,
trade
yeah.
code. I know register of deeds say trade code. La ngapi kanje?
Harare.
Le Harare Road.
So
Le
they
Harare.
split
One
the
in Harare,
country.
one in
They
One
split the
in
country.
Bulawayo.
So
Yeah.
Elapa it deals with all Mad
South.
North, Mad South.
Yeah.
Then
another one is in Harare, right? That's the first thing. And then at the register of deeds, confirm it's the genuine and problem free. You have to check a deeds office. But another thing also, we now have the deeds office itself having unscrupulous members in it. Because recently there was a case in Harare where someone but change the title deed of someone's house. And the deeds office was involved. It's tricky. Oh well.
So like buying a house isn't safe. So I think the takeaway from
Everything
this
is
entire
due-
discourse,
due diligence.
yeah. Ungayenzi ngani yi-one night stand.
But I wanna
Thenga indlu la.
any problem man ukuthi ungabona umuntu ethola imali ethenga istand and okunye imentality leyana yokuthi if I don't use this money now izaphela ngingakayisebenzisi for into ecacayo. So the first thing that comes into
Which is
mind
not a-
is
yeah.
let me just invest
So,
this in a
because I
stand.
think
But
we
still,
were
like,
now running
it
away
requires-
from.
Okay.
We're now running away from what Ralph was saying.
Right now,
The initial question.
I'm gonna go away. The word investment. So if you're let's say you wanna get into property management whatsoever, buying a property in Mzirikazi is not gonna do anything for you. No matter how much you renovate it, the value is not gonna go up. If you intend to be someone into property, buying land or buying a house in Mzirikazi and renovating whatever is not gonna give you your money back because that value of that house is not gonna go up anytime soon.
Plus
Even in
into
100 years.
lezi zi-contextual guys.
Yeah.
Kulomunye umuntu engathi imtshethi don't buy stands are frowning upon me because that person already maybe has 2 or 3 houses and yena kuye ngabona kuthiwa maybe i-range more is an emerging city.
Sithe.
Uthatha 8,000 because le mali maybe i-account balance yakhe 200k. Athathe 10 or 20 athenge istand ezi-2 range more akhohlwe ngazo. After 10 years i-range more is blind maybe those stands are now going for like 20. So kulomunye umuntu maybe from an investor's point of view where buying those things or buying those things makes sense. But mina bengikhulumela for the general populace ukuthi sonke la sinje we wish one day ukuthi la kuthiwe kule ndlu visa wena ozoyitshela abantwana bakho. Don't just take that money without thinking and buy a stand because you might be biasing.
And then when you go to execute a deed of sale, both seller and buyer must sign the contract and must be notarized. This then involves the lawyers, our lawyers, right? Of which some lawyers have been duping people in Malifoot. Hey, nkulunkulu wami.
Exactly, yeah.
And then they say,
lawyers
to pay documentary stamps.
Ngama-lawyer you need.
Within 1 month from the notarization of the deed of sale, pay the documentary stamps.
Ungabona la uthenga istand umbile lawyer le unisa. Siyakujala.
And
Yabona laphana ngathi order.
And then there's one that says pay capital gains tax. Okay, pay capital gains tax is very important. This one a lot of people miss it. The pay of capital gains tax, you have to pay Zimra. It's very important. Like you must pay Zimra. And then you also pay your transfer fees, entitled transfer, so that your staff is transferred. Like you must be, every stage you must be able to do this if you intend to buy a stand or buy land. Right?
Those things were not too hectic, bro. I was even calling my mother.
So, but
those things are not as hectic
no,
as they sound right now, bro.
But they are very important. They are very important.
They are, but
they are very important, but not hectic, bro. It's A, B, C, D, F, G. But not because we live in a country where it's now about
ezimbabwe sokunzima yonke into ngiyawutshela kare ungavuka reso le mali yokuthi uhambe ethenge imoto eBaitbridge uze imoto lena ibe lebhuku elibhale ibizo lakho lama number plate you go through hell, bro. But that's not how things are supposed to be.
These are things that are supposed to be easy in our country.
But anyway, don't buy stands, bro.
Nah, I'm saying allow people to buy stands.
Another thing, on the land part, I feel
don't make uninformed decisions.
Exactly. Don't make dumbass
If I was the president of the country,
because you thought everyone else is buying.
If I was the minister of lands or the president of the country, the first thing I'll probably do, I'll probably fire all town planners who are currently in existence. Right? Britain is, in terms of square meters, should be smaller than Zim. And they actually have a population that's higher than Zim. And they can accommodate those people. And they're having people flying in.
Please, let's try to fake check that thing. If you have data there.
No.
I
was checking it actually. I was actually checking it. No, I was actually checking it. I was actually checking it, right? Here's the thing. One thing that some of these countries have mastered, some of these European countries, is they build going up, not going in that direction. Like we shouldn't having city, like towns like St. Paul's City, a city town, a suburb like Cowdrey Park.
But do you know why they do that?
Yeah. Here's the thing. What I'm saying.
Do you know why they do that?
I'll get there. Why I'm saying build going up, I'm saying we are using land that's supposed to be used for for farming. Right? We
We
are encroaching.
We
are encroaching on land. That's supposed to be on farming. Like Ngale. If you go to Harare, where the new parliament is, bro, that was all farming land, and now creating a city. And yet you want to secure food food security for a country instead of just building, going up. You have your apartments or 10 story or 11 story, rather than having country park encroaching on a wall farming land. This is what we're supposed to be going for. Let's build going up instead of going in that other direction. That's what I believe. And people are building on wetlands.
But
now.
we're not building because every time I go to South Africa, I find a new building.
You
Going up.
development.
And they're going up, bro.
Yeah.
And
Or
they are
new
going up.
complex or new
If you see
something.
anything going that direction, that's probably an industrial.
Ngamangale Mall of Africa,
Yeah.
the time I remember on 2018, Mall of Africa, they were still fixing some shit. When I went back during lockdown, it was an entire new place, bro. It was crazy.
It was
yeah.
ever changing. From 2018, Mall of Africa was ever
I'm sure by
changing.
now ngawuyela futhi cause ngathi
Sechangile.
ngisuka ngathola kule kunye ngolama scaffold beyakho kunye ngathola rest maybe sokule 2 more buildings.
We are using land for air food security.
Lapha ndoda iBC ilokile endlovu zonje ziyana ndoda.
But other than, it's not sometimes, because in there's no
Usenyama
BC.
endlovu.
Because there's no BC, so it's not a Pura City Council, it's now Umguza. Because they are practically on anything around.
I was
below.
being disappointed.
Yeah.
But anyway,
But-
so we property
But
podcast.
you were saying, you wanted to say something.
I was saying.
Yeah.
So I get your point on building a high rise,
Yeah, yeah.
but it's actually never been about food security.
Yeah.
That's an initiative that was never done by governments, but it was done by developers.
Okay.
Cost of land is expensive. So it's going to cost me, like, basically what I'm going to do now, if I want to build a building, I'm better off buying 600 square meters, building up, than buying and building ama floors angu 3, than buying 1,800 square meters and building, this way.
Remove the land development. Remove. It's a
But like,
noble
if
idea to implement. It's like, we're talking about Rwanda. Rwanda built
but,
flats.
when you
Rwanda
then
built
think
low-cost
socially, man.
accommodation flats. And in Rwanda, they have laws in terms of the square meters you can buy and stuff like that. Right? So I'm saying, low housing can happen. Flats. Flats, 2-story stuff. Those are actually great ideas. It's a small space of area, but you have more people living in that area. Why can't we implement more of those than Uguziyefing and Pompin?
Seswatholela ama-stats.
Yeah.
Right, so in Zimbabwe, the area it covers is 390,760 square kilometers. And then actually, Zimbabwe again, with a population of 16.32 million.
Should be smaller.
Million, right?
Then Britain is 244,376
fucking
square
right,
meters,
bro. The
square
first
kilometers,
time.
with a population of 66.97 million.
And yet they can accommodate
Yeah,
those
Mafoti
people.
was right. Let's clear
Yeah.
pens
I
for
did
Mafoti.
research. Guys, I did research.
We can never be sure with
No,
you,
I did
dog.
research when I was coming here.
So, yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
But that's all like
Hey, I mean, you
Nah,
miss
get
sometimes,
away.
man.
I don't miss.
Sometimes
I
they're
do
cool.
not miss.
Sometimes you miss.
You guys, they're having a was. They're having research.
So yeah, guys,
My bad.
you see, it also leads to the point here. We are wasting land. here.
Yeah, we're wasting land, bro.
land.
We're wasting land. Yes, we can pump in this thing. Good going up.
Now, what I know, and again, we can also research this.
Yeah.
Recently, the government said they're no longer like issuing.
But
or
maybe
allocating
Britain
like-
can include
Yeah.
Zimbabwe, but that's a topic for another day.
No, but Britain is small.
When even in Africa try in square meters in Kulu
Yeah, like
Europe,
some
but-
continents
Yeah, yeah.
But
combined,
Africa by
Yeah,
But yet it's bigger
but
than all of
Britain is
them.
small.
Yeah.
Like it's actually quite small. But anyway, I was saying that I get it, and I suppose maybe like government like when they make certain policies, because recently I was saying, they're no longer like issuing state land. Yeah. So basically, ungathenga istand yona le ofuna ukuyithenga into ativeli khona. Apparently, like they're no longer breaking off like chunks away state land to private developers, for servicing and repurposing. So yeah. Now I think in a situation like that, it definitely helps. I hope it will be used for the right thing. Otherwise, I'm not going to umhlaba.
Yeah, but I'm saying, even if they had to give, bro, let's build going up. Like, because for food security's sake also, it's actually, because look at where Mount Hamden is. Those were all farms, bro.
There's a point I wanted to make. Now saying Kumbuli.
Yes.
Right? I get your point on food security.
Yeah.
But that would have been valid 10 years ago. Right now, there's aeroponics, there's hydroponics. That is how
we are in Zimbabwe.
It's actually cheaper than ordinary
We know
irrigation.
when have you ever gone for any cheap thing in Zimbabwe?
Okay,
Other than Chinese stuff.
But the point yeah.
Yeah, hey.
The point I'm making that building up can also work for agriculture.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really can. Like there's actually like vertical farms now. Very, very prevalent.
Oh yes.
Yes. And it's funny because even just before I got to the podcast, I remember really real with Instagram. These people that are Balimi lettuce, basically they just took a pipe. By far.
Yeah, by far. And then if
you check, it only takes spaces in Gaupina, just half or maybe a third of the table. 50 or so in that one pipe. That's basically maybe as tall as me.
Some are doing onions in that and other stuff like that. That's like how they were doing potatoes using them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I get the point on like building vertically. It definitely works. It's actually very modern. It's sustainable. But I also feel like who actually at some point feel like, no, I need to run away from the city.
Guys,
and those guys must also be accommodated.
Singakhohlwa podcast le kulabantu abaningi bakhona abayilalelayo abangela ndaba lento ze-future lesikhulumayo. What's another thing on the prayer, bro?
Wow.
Let's not talk serious talk too much. Yeah. So little weakness about me kid bokuhambe njani.
Akuthiwa uhekiwe.
But it's
asiqedanga indaba yakho. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi uhekiwe. It's weak nail, big weak nail.
Ihekiwe jila. I think kukhona umfowethu lapha ongani
ongani unombono ongcono.
Ulombono ongcono.
Weak nail.
Ufuna ukuthini?
One word. Stuart.
Stuart. I'm not wrong kidding.
Stuart.
You will come to me.
If you don't know me, it's fine. It's fine.
Wait. No.
No, we'll come back to you.
We'll come back to you.
But yeah, I mean, I feel like he was hacked because, bro, he was even asking for Kiki's ass.
Kiki badass.
Yeah, he was asking for Kiki's bums, bro.
Hey. Tight.
He was asking for Kiki's bums.
Tight.
Oh.
That time I like Kiki's verse on that song. Abba Weakness is asking for bums. Abba Levels is begging for it. I don't think that's Weakness. It may seem like it's him, but I don't think.
But it's
because
not.
those shits that are coming out are damning, bro. Yeah. OnlyFans money that they tell me like what take I like it's crazy, bro.
Lo munye wamthembisa umtaka Trump. I know, I want to pledge 1 million to your father's something. I can't remember what it was. There were a lot of I really if only my phone but really I can't remember where I saw it. It would be account but yeah, it was very damning.
When I ufuna ukuvula i-V360 yakho phambi kwabantu.
Transform on Optimum Pride.
Optimum Pride.
Every lip box le face pout.
Wow. Do it.
Zwanini lapha lena. Zwanini lapha. Ngeke ngize.
And to top it off, it's a fucking Android.
No, I know you win. You got me there.
Thank you.
Our nickname this Black Opal.
Anyway,
don't one will hack you.
I hack you.
Siri said you hack that piece of shit. Remember that episode on the Puntongs? Now hack that piece of shit. Anyway, Weaknail, guys. Are we done?
I know. I think we're just.
People are just going to look up online. I think more by the time this episode drops,
let's put a comment.
Yeah, more. But what I was saying, my take is I think it's hacked because some of those things, of course, I know Weaknail likes to trade.
It's very controversial, but yeah.
But in that is compromising.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I
we'll
also
see how it
believe he was
unfolds.
hacked.
But I feel like his
you
phone
flew
is
too close
near
to the sun.
Yes, I feel like his fall is near.
Yeah, he flew too close
Ngendlela
to this.
okwenzakala ngayo ngani into zakhe sezi.
And this one is on you.
But la
Give it
levels
back.
sorry guys akasuke but la levels la lelinye itsungu.
But akasuke yedwa.
Levels uyasitwenzana. Levels twa afonela uVictor. Imagine mina ngithume uVuyi uthi Vuyi ngoyenza ama giveaway ama tickets eGarden of Horse. Clean. Announce it send kuma 40 eli1. Announce send niku honorary 1. Then uVuyi yena anticipate ukuthi la menza mnika actually uma 40 man. Anticipate ukuthi enza mnika sefonela uVuyi distributor ama tickets.
How far lapha?
How far umember sethe unike yini? Ikulevels akwenza ulevels of like weakness instruction was clear bro. Go and see Victor. Not ukuthi wena now
Call Victor.
You are calling Victor before he announces.
Ralph, kule nyine efuthi sikhulume singakaqedi. I want us to talk about that chick on Twitter who got cooked.
Oh yeah.
Le mfungu nizadinga amavili evena mfungu kwabala
Yes,
wonke.
but that one I know it very off head, but I think we'll
But
close
anyway,
that one issue.
now
man.
we're talking about Ilokuzin. Ama escorts. It's just I don't know. We'll try and find ama screenshots I'm gonna to put on the podcast. But apparently, like ule website called I think it's Euro Escort, Euroescort.com, something like that, and it was trending earlier on this morning, on the day that we're recording, and basically it was people were shocked to see certain individuals there. Yeah, one. Let's say Ulosisi esimjayele Ralph. Like each time last time the smokes lapana.
Maybe let's say uJane and ukwazikala
exactly. Let's say uJane and uJane.
How uJane uthengisa
uJane pero wayese Dubai.
Iku.
Anyway.
Behind the scenes.
Anyway.
Like bese uthola kahle.
Uyakhothise podcast.
Uyakhothise podcast.
Yeah, what?
Abantu bona bazitshela maybe uJane drive uBentley, uJane ule double story, e10 on e9 on Brook.
Yeah, and tuna sikwazi ukuthi kanje kanje.
Kana likwazi ukuthi uJane aso podcast.
Uyakhothise podcast.
So ikho kwenzakele ama influencer on codes atholakele ku website
yakho. Yeah. So but now this is where like the uproar really came about. Some of the models that are being discovered and outed are like, I know, but I see it. They're adamant, hi, fine, it's my picture and those are my details, but I'm telling you that is not me. Like, I'll see me. Or Pumile Konapa. But abanye abantu, they're like, no, but there's a very extensive verification process.
Yeah, but umuntu engimpilivileyo nguCrystal, because Crystal is Zimbabwean and she stays in SA. She only went to Paris for like maybe a year or less. Angazi wayesenza khona ngani. But then on the website it was saying she's based in Paris. I think her nationality is Cyprus or South African or something.
Yeah.
But umuntu lwana ngumZimbabwean, even the phone number and even la wasithi angazi vele ngahlala eCyprus. But on the account it's saying where besukile Cyprus and things like there were some things that she uyenze like a thread explain ukuthi this is not true. Le phone number, I like all those things. We list into and on the website, I think talk my pictures about Vumela my tattoos done land. And you know she was saying, "Come on, guys, you know I have tattoos." So
did you post the
yes
the V11
on the V11s? Actually, I'm talking about posting the picture. I get my tattoo, and she was like, "This is not even making sense because the website is saying they don't accept people with tattoos, and you put a picture of me with tattoos there." So yeah. So konokiana lambenza believe maybe bayenza, but then ngathi sembona yena sekuexplain us and there's someone that I've seen elsewhere kwamanye ama page. Yeah. Maybe it's questionable, but yeah, we can discuss.
So guys, uBreezy lo lobanga.
Abani?
Nomgcini banga.
I'm
just asking. I'm just asking. Mina ngiyabuza.
Wena zingabuya le equipment entsha bezithengisa amagasi. Bapost equipment.
Yes, by the way.
Le equipment entsha they are selling S. If you are selling S at a young age, you didn't even try to hambe ko Shoprite join iHlanzeka group straight into S selling. Awuzange wazama ezinye izinto awonta zisebenzi. Ukube nguma cleaner, ukube ngu general hand, when what you wanted to do was give hand jobs kuphela.
Now indaba yethu lana Twitter leyana Ralph yani. I'm actually going through the screenshots right. Actually, this is the one page.
Oh
Hit it.
yeah,
As it-
guys.
Give us a background.
Just always make sure whenever you're throwing stones.
Like, yeah, you don't live in a glass
yeah.
house. Because
Yeah, hit it. Hit us with the story.
now this is how it begins. Kulo chomi onjengathi labo Ralph nje uyazakala ku Twitter nje, and he posts a picture of him.
Yichomi lethu leliya like lasiqala lapho Jaka but we fixed him.
A perfume yala.
Yichomi lethu.
How? Hard mfethu. Hard boy. So anyway, he posted a picture of his Sauvage Dior.
Yeah.
Yesithi no matter what, bro, like I'd rather spend my last money like Ntenga perfume like
Scent, yeah.
Essentially to smell good. And now the thing is, there's this idea like engqondweni yabafazi ukuthi hayi iSauvage Dior is perfume is fair.
Yeah,
Perfume ama players.
it's cliche. Ifanana lo lengoma lana yabo maphoriso izolo at its peak. It was being played even at the wildest places. So Savage like
Yeah.
just everyone who feels like it's time to upgrade from X, they go straight to that.
So if I get yeah.
Nah, it's not cheap. It's expensive.
It's expensive,
bro. It's expensive.
Yeah.
It's like 250 USD. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's not cheap. Because I want demand away for that.
Exactly.
Abaya bayiholi.
Yeah. Expensive.
So
I can't troll it to go to cheap.
I
No,
can't.
no.
At the very most we can say I ain't fair.
Lami ngisase high school ngangifisa ukuyithenga but ngathi le mali azayi.
I'm not in
I buy better brands.
78 guys
Buy
ngachana
better
lapho. Ngathi okay, really.
Exactly. You can go for your
You know, Invictus or something.
Yeah.
You know, Paco
or
Rabanne.
something else.
Yeah, anyway.
I
so,
almost leaked my sense. No.
I'm now ngeke
Can't tell people I smell.
It's come
Yeah,
as
smell nice.
No as fanana. And abavele endlini eyi1. Eh bayela man.
Senengikhumbuza enye indaba yeperfume yami vele enzisa ubuhlungu. Senenzisa enye ubuhlungu enye indaba yeperfume izwazisa ubuhlungu. You know
But
this.
anyway, if we continue,
No,
I think
no,
we're
no.
going to.
No, I think the story.
I
We
wanna
can vent
vent.
my 40, but
Me, I
we've
wanna
segued
vent.
too much.
Nah, you're gonna vent.
We've
Continue.
segued too much.
Continue.
So, because we haven't even got into the actual story.
Continue.
So anyway, he's like, he pay for a perfume account. And then Ochere Bamgenela che. Bamgenela. And then this one account, I won't mention names. This one account, I think she went a bit too hard. You know, Konakan uthi nxeya uzamchaza abantu. Yabo.
But to improve your palate.
Yeah. She went a bit too hard. And then what the guy does, he goes to her DMs. I'm looking at because she's the one that posted this. Yeah, one in it. No, look, ngiyakubona okukhulumile and bengikucabanga, but you know, like you really should, you didn't need to have said that. You know, like ipoint yakho ngiyayizwa, but you know, like for you, into but for me, like this is actually like this is me upgrading my palate. So really, you're in no position to, you know, to then like say some of the stuff that you say to me.
Yeah.
And then she basically then replied to him, but she basically said, you know what, fuck off.
And then she posted the screenshots.
And then she posted the screenshots. Yeah, one.
What you don't come to my DM net,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, niyandazi indlela abakhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Akuba bakhona ngale. Ngojiwa ikoko.
Sebekukhombela. Namhlanje lo member abakhombela.
Namhlanje yakhombela bra.
Ngojiwa ikoko. So anyway, so this is where it all goes to shit. So she posts that and she calls her off la bofu. Thina esachazekile sibi. Are we
Bekuposta
enjoying?
lathi sichaze yes dali
bro,
soft why DM umuntu okutrollile.
Hey, why are you DMing someone who's
Yeah,
trolling
yeah.
you, bro? Like, come
Come
on,
on, bro. Yeah.
There's this one on and remember the age, I think even my file is low.
Okay. But imtshela nicely when
Hey,
he's
qale khuluma
approaching.
kuhle. Qale khuluma kuhle, and this is how it starts. This is him, like, so she posts those screenshots and she's like, please don't enter DMs with expectations. And, you know, yada, yada, yada. And then he then says, this should have remained private and you are being vile for no reason. Yeah. So it goes to shit, bro. I won't say some of the things that they mentioned because
You should.
this is
But yeah,
private business.
what
bro,
she
but,
really says is she responds to the guy, and the guy is just saying, no, like you could have been nice, you could have just kept this private. And then she's like, no, like she's saying, like she's insinuating she's insinuating that the guy is dick riding her first victim. So this guy is essentially a second victim now. And she's saying, go dick ride, I'm on top of the world. Then the guy is like, no, don't say that. Like the guy owns her again. The guy owns her again. She goes off again. And then I think on a second range, she's like, hey, this is my daughter. Unlike you, you're still living on your parents' house.
I mean, baby,
that's way. And then she says, yeah, you live a purposeless life. Then the guy is like, not really purposeless. I'm trying to allow it. Remember 10 years. Oyithengela idatha ohlala usiyayivakashela ngama flights.
Remember yathi joker.
Remember yathi joker. Uchero wazama ukufaka umember wafaka amavili emveni.
Wafaka omunye ujoker phezulu.
Wafaka omunye ujoker kana sokuyipick 10. Fuck. Uchero manje watshena, I think now she was clutching on straws.
Yeah.
She like stalks the guy's thingy. Win. She stopped the guy's media timeline. Or post the picture, I remember, I said, hey, I can't be true. But she actually quotes, because it's got some guys they're replying to each other.
Yes.
Then her last ditch defending, she quotes the guy's tweet. Your picture, I remember, maybe I got 2018, she's like, I can't be true, but someone looks like this. Was a bison. Because she's a plus size person, like umuntu is dude. So the guy finds a cartoon of me is dude like I can reply to a code. And what you look like this story here. So you can't tell me anything. And the tweet blew up, bro. That thing has been trending for, I think Master Kotala has been trending for like 3 days. Cartoon. But I even go Twitter and post the cartoon like one and I went back. He's now an inside joke. That's how bad it is.
No, so that because one thing about Ndebele Twitter, like because we are in Zagala like who spoke earlier on, right? But Tina's listening to checking last
like
last
no
week.
But you don't know umuntu bamkhayele ama undergarments akhe wonke.
Khaya amaphenti.
Bamkhayela amaphenti. So shit. Umafundile ke bamisladi Jack umuntu lana akwazi ukuthi ngambona ukuthi
the things that I'm almost said and I'm like
ngafuna ukuthi it was a drag, bro. Usually like when ungihamba under comment yomuntu maybe plus size umuntu wesidudla like khulume kubi, the whole timeline will be against you.
Yeah.
But that guy uqale isidudla ngabona timeline yonke ivumelana la.
Yeah. Abakuchile remember yami.
Ike mune kwenda akuchile. Ungabona uyenza ibody shaming abantu bekuvumile. It's fucked up. Unkazana kule inye imime ngiyibona ethwa.
Remember yakhona.
Upost umuntu odayile ethwa imember isecabanga ukuthi is this 10 years really worth it? 10 year age gap.
But he came out and posted something in solidarity.
Like bayembamba futhi.
Ubani umjitheka my sister.
Umjitheka my sister uzamile ukuthi defend my sister. Uparanzayo wabembamba. Uparanzayo wabambamba member.
Uparanzayo upheka usizwana wazakhuzwa ngabangani bakhe. Like kufana nokuthi mina kathesi so ngipheka umuntu ku timeline. Lonke lapha libuye kini lithi vuya hayi stop. So kurayisa ukukwanile. Like please
that
bro.
was bad, bro.
Shut up.
I need to see this cartoon.
It was really
I need to see
bad.
this cartoon.
We're gonna show you offline.
Yeah. But no man,
Any
it
other
was
things?
wild. It was wild, man.
Any other things, my friend? What you got for us?
Oh, so Garden of House is coming, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Today is what? What's the date, guys?
Today is the 18th.
The 18th.
18th.
Oh, it's my brother's birthday. And
I'm giving
Nelson
away-
Mandela's birthday.
I'm giving away 2 Golden Circle tickets on the 25th. So please just peep me on Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah. Tina, we are on Twitter not to fight.
Yes,
but to,
on X.
We're on X not to
I'm
fight,
gonna
but
give
to
away
yak.
2 tickets. If the engagement is too nice, I'm gonna give away 3. So it
We're
depends.
also giving away a free photo shoot by Puzzle Moment over there.
Yes.
Pictures.
Maforo,
Amangai.
Maforo. Cameraman.
Yes. But Ricky Spanika, my pictures amangai. I 10.
10 pictures. First moment,
Exactly.
exactly. Of course.
10 pictures, I mean 10 people. It's one person with 10
One
pictures.
person. 10
1%,
pictures.
bro. So yeah.
This is what I'm
Garden of House is
one.
coming. Just peep our timelines. We have
Yeah.
nice giveaways there. So shout out.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we don't
That's
have
how
any.
we're gonna be opening
We don't have
summer
any
anyway.
holes to give away.
For
But,
August, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll be there at the garden.
The Garden of Hoes.
At the Garden of Hoes. We don't have hoes to give away, but when I'm going to
You find
you
a
know,
way.
if you got
I'm not. I used to be a house person. I'm not a house person. I'm a comedian. I do comedy now. So 25th of July, we're having a free comedy show at the Cotton Lounge. We always have them every month. It's free. Now I'm 40. Come and see my 40 for free. I do it. I'm doing it for the we're teaching these young guys comedians. Then come support them.
Now
Come
we're gonna be
support
there.
them.
I'm committed.
We are teaching these young guys how to do comedy.
Yes, but what-
Cotton Lounge.
But yeah, before we're gonna be there, we'll be there no matter what.
Yeah, obvious.
I'm not going to do anything.
We're not gonna sit on the
Ah,
front
that's
row.
sitting in front.
Last
No,
time
sister.
when-
Nah, lapha nazo amasiko.
Wasenza i-content,
Okay, just as long as the content.
One.
Yabona isikole uteacher ngakeze umfanekiso.
Come out front.
Saba i-opening set kama-40. The
Ah,
first time
yeah.
sisitshongisa ngabantu nje.
No,
But anyway,
Mina, what I'll say
he's
is,
our
if
bro,
my
he's
40
our
got
bro.
pussy that
He
day, it was
was
because
one-
of
he
us,
was
bro.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, it was kwakuyitho esayenzeka kodwa. But nah.
But nah, he's our bro. He's our bro. It's allowed. It's fine.
No, I'm just hosting, and we have new guys coming up trying out comedy. So we have a platform every month. They're there at Cotton Lounge.
Is Blake gonna be there?
Yeah, he's gonna be there.
Shout out to him. Shout out to him.
There's another guy who does dark humor.
That's who I'm referring to. He
Yeah,
really does like crazy dark humor. And the entire time I was sitting on the edge of my seat like this guy, it does my
There's another one from Mararo who's coming through. who Also
Because
does
remember,
dark humor.
let me just spoil for people. Hey, I always thought I like open-minded people until AKA. And I'm like, what?
Damn, man.
Remember that? Like,
Wait, my
he
boy, I've
even
got a
said
question
worse
as far as
things than that.
comedy-wise.
Good show, but I'm like, what? Damn.
What do you think about
But yeah.
what do you think about Ulokuzen or Frank Chirisa?
Right. Here's a question.
Yeah.
So,
What do you think about Frank Chirisa?
as a comedian, or as a person.
No, as a comedian. Well,
So-
let me not guide you.
Okay, so
If
let me
you think that is
let me
the
say
same
let me say
thing.
this. Let me
Yeah,
say
yeah.
this. Frank, I gave him the platform. Right? I gave him the platform.
He's on
I
my
see
voice.
what you
No,
nigga
I want you to understand because I need you to understand because I'm saying so because I need you to understand
All right, yeah,
where
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
coming
sure.
from.
Sure, yeah.
Because in Ngapongkuluma with that, I gave him the platform.
All
Right?
Yeah.
And
You put him on.
you know and he let it go into his head.
All right.
He let it go into his head. So much that all that potential that he has or he had got lost somehow. Or now, even if he's performing, now he's a performer, there's so many things that happened around him so much that you don't know, no one cares about his comedy anymore.
Okay.
Now people look at any other thing that happens around him. He has the potential to be a very good comedian. But there's so much then happened to him, even going in his head. So much that now even he's performing his comedy, but like,
Okay.
that type of thing.
All right.
But he has the potential to be a good comedian. Not a great one, but to be a good one.
Hey. Damn.
Yeah,
No, I'm asking
I
because
think you're right, bro.
I'm being honest.
Yeah, no, Nyabuza, I'm
Because
asking.
Lami, I heard a lot of things.
Yeah.
Of course, I know him personally.
Yeah. That's why I was
And
asking.
I've hit him on the phone. I've spoke to him like face to face. So I've managed to filter out my comments or things that are malicious about him.
Yeah.
Because he's a good guy. But
Yes, yeah.
I've heard also things that made me question a couple of things here and there. So you're right what you're saying. Maybe the fame, because there are some stories where I feel like he used his position. Like, I'm raising my comments, just because I'm on the podcast, just because you always say Ralph is saying nice jokes, then I take advantage of you. So
For real.
No, but
That's what I feel like.
you know what happens. You know what happens.
That's what I feel
and the reason why
happened.
I'm
So,
saying so is at some point,
Yeah.
the first thing that people would say, "Mfana kuma photo, mfana kuma photo, mfana kuma
Exactly.
photo, mfana
Namba
kuma
besithi
photo."
member yakho Ralph.
And now my PR team will be like, dude, the fuck is happening? You get my point? And in my mind I'm like, but in my mind I'm like, but you know this boy, we gave the platform. He's that good. He's good. Fine, he's done this, but now he's comedy, bro. Okay. And bro, he had potential.
But
Yeah,
also,
potential.
I will say that are we correct to say he had? Because he's a young, he's a really, really young guy, man.
No, but here's the
Frank
here's
is
the
barely
fact-
in his
here's the
20s,
fucked
eh?
up thing about
He
it.
can
Here's-
still redeem himself.
Here's the fucked up thing about it. Here's the fucked up thing about it is I'm saying he had because I'm in the industry.
Okay.
And I won't touch him. You get my point? Now imagine how many people won't touch him when I say don't touch him. Imagine how many people won't touch him if I say don't touch him.
Because his people also distanced at the peak of his
Yeah.
issues.
Yeah.
People, like, let's say maybe in music terms, his label dropped him.
Yeah. And for me,
Why Mama Shaggy,
No, I didn't want to
No,
mention
no,
their
but-
name.
But I'm not
But
my
yeah,
pros,
that's what
man.
I
Like,
mean.
it's
If
a
someone calls
very
me-
because Frank came on my other podcast and he told me the entire. So it's actually it's
Oh,
not
it's your pros. Okay.
So he-
Okay,
so
I didn't want us to come
imagine
here
someone
speaking
calls.
about people.
Imagine
like,
someone calls and say, "Mafoti, how's Frank Chirisa?" What am I going to say? What am I going to say? I'm going to say, bro, at your own risk. Why? Because I'm saying, because I went through what I've gone through, what he put me through. You get my point? So I wouldn't want to say, take him who's up and does the same thing to the same very people.
Okay.
You get my point?
Yeah,
so he had the potential, but I know a couple of people who won't touch him. And there are people that matter in this industry.
Okay.
You get my point?
So
It's-
is that why he's almost like independent?
He has to. He has to. He has
he's
to.
got
He
no
has
choice.
to do it.
Okay.
He has no option but to do it like that. And Mina, I guarantee you, bro. Like I guarantee you, for me to touch him, he has to reach Trevor Noah levels. For me to touch him, because right now, bro, Man City.
No, but I mean, if he reaches Trevor Noah levels, like
I
would
can't
he
even
then
touch him.
want you exactly?
Yeah, I want it.
Yeah.
But man, when he reaches Trevor Noah, I'm probably gonna be the person that plays Trevor Noah. You're gonna want me to put in places. No, but
Anyway.
Mina,
Now I've
if
told
he
too
has
much
to,
of Frank.
if he's to redeem himself, he has to go the independent route. He has to not give a shit about Mafoti. He has to not give a shit about anyone. He has to make sure, and he has to do it, and he has to get to a point where Mina will be like, I might not put you on, but
I see what
you
you're
get
doing.
I see you. Because I cannot control people who go to his shows or anything. Like I said, he had the potential. Give me, he had the potential. But I know he should. He still probably has his potential. He can still go independently. I know there are guys in Arada that will still touch him. I know guys in Arada that will still touch him. Right? That will still work with him. That will have nothing to lose.
Yeah, by
but I have
touch,
a
we
lot to
mean
lose.
work with him, not pedophilia. Or
But me, I have a lot to lose if I touch him. You get my point?
We don't mean molesting.
Yeah.
We just mean touching.
Yes. But I'm
touching
saying,
invoices.
me now I have a lot to lose if I put him on stage. You get my point? I have more to lose than to gain. So, but I like that he's doing his independent thing. I like that he's doing.
Anyway,
I like
do you
it.
have anything else pending in the pod?
I don't know. Do you have anything else? Do you have anything else?
I mean, whilst we're speaking about events,
Yeah.
I don't know who's organizing any given Sunday.
I also don't know. Oh, no. Anyway,
I was still talking about any given Sunday.
See you on the next episode, guys.
Yeah, I was
Thank you for listening.
So my daughter
Okuyakhulunywa after lapha
so ndifuna ukusizondisa ngolokhu zini.
ngobani why umqamba thina simazi asizwanga ukuthi ubani wenza into le
Hayi nabe mungikhuluma nge-event kube ukuthi
Okay,
khanya kule.
guys, in our comment section, remember to answer our question.
Hey, bro, me,
Please
I'm not
answer
part
our
of whatever's
question.
going on
We want to
here.
hear
I
our
like your
views.
event, bro. Event yakho mina ngiyayithanda mina mdala and ngiyayisupporta.
Like I said,
Ngimele,
answer your
ngimele
question.
Machimbo.
Comment. We want as many comments as we can. Engage us. This has been another episode of the BYO podcast.
You're
I'm your host,
wild.
one and only 4040. The name's so
we-
nice. You gotta say it twice, and I'm out.
We forgot to shout out. We're coming live from Zulu Fashion House. I think we're nearing our 1 year anniversary here, so shout out. We're just gonna find out ukuthi
We should have. No, Sasa because but about this time, the cricket, the qualifiers were done. And by this day,
And we're already here.
And you guys were already here because you came
We're
here. When I was
actually
that
supposed
side.
to celebrate that.
No, we will.
Yeah.
Next
Any
week.
excuse.
When the prodigal sons come back, we'll find
Oh, you want us to
something out.
celebrate with them? I was about to celebrate without them, but it's fine.
We
We'll-
can.
Where
actually
No,
where are we doing
let's-
paintball?
Yeah.
Where are we doing
Sunday.
paintball?
On Sunday,
On Sunday.
there's a company that invited us to go.
Or
to
we're not at liberty to say yet.
We don't want to.
yeah.
What's not the
By the time it comes out, services can be.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, so where are we going? Where are we going?
Guys, we're going to put, but it's by Amazulu, close to Blair Chiefs, Hartsfield, thereabout. We're just going to put more details. Next week, we're going to be reviewing our experience there.
Yeah.
So on Sunday, we're going to be there. Izolo, actually.
That's all right.
We
Beautiful.
really, from the bottom of our hearts, we really appreciate like our institutions, which they see us doing whatever we're doing here, and they shout us out. Betty, we are in no restaurant. We are in Lizo with the ET pony here too. We are in Lizo experience some services. Yeah. So shout out. We're gonna be there, team building. Then yeah.
Not that we need to build our team anymore.
No, we need to build
We
this
are
one.
very tight. See,
We need to build this one. We need to build this one.
But
But Mhlandlela, guys, Mhlandlela renovated. Mhlandlela renovated. Yeah, we've got
Mhlandlela renovated?
Yeah. So say we're gonna invite you for something, bro, when we're done with what we're doing.
No, we're actually gonna have our celebs there.
We are was.
We're gonna have our celebs
No,
there.
you remember the
where
podcast
we used to shoot.
Hey,
I still don't get it, bro.
Yes, Valen, see you.
All right, ciao, guys.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay.